I like to make things, and food is the way I do it. I mean, some people make art, some people write novels. I make food. I started at Cargill in 2009. My role is working with customers to develop new menu items that will both make them money and preferably incorporate a Cargill ingredient. The work I do now is considerably more difficult than when I worked in restaurants because the parameters in which I work are much, much tighter. What I create for a customer has to be absolutely spot on their brand. It has to work operationally so that their employees can actually create this food. It has to meet a certain price point. So when you can solve that, it's a great adrenaline rush. I have never worked any place longer than Cargill, and the reason I stay is because I love the people and I love my work.